Ever wish your camera could disappear into your outfit and still make you look like a movie? Okay, imagine a tiny magnetized pin that clips to your shirt and records everything. Welcome to the DJI Osmo Nano leaks. In this video, I'll walk you through the wildest bits from the rumors. The design that looks like a fashion accessory, the AI-powered stabilization, wireless mic support, and the jaw-dropping ways it might pair with drones. Stick around, I'll also cover the rumored price and a possible release window. You'll want to hear that. Trust me on this one. There's a laundry hazard joke you don't want to miss. So here's the part that made creators gasp. The Osmo Nano reportedly looks less like a camera and more like a magnetic fashion pin. Clip it to a hat, jacket, or backpack, and boom, you're filming without thinking. You know what's funny? The tech world keeps shrinking cameras, but DJI may have turned the whole thing into jewelry. I'm picturing POV shots without chest rigs, selfies without a stick, and yes, the classic, did I just wash my camera? Cringe. Later, I'll tell you why that magnetic screen idea could be the single most clever move DJI's made in years. Leaks suggest the Nano could pack AI stabilization that rivals bigger action cams, a tiny magnetic display module for framing, and even wireless mic support, meaning clean audio without dangling mics. Imagine the Nano smoothing out shaky runs and auto-framing your face while you sprint. No gimbals, no fuss. Another rumor, it might sync with DJI drones for a unique multi-angle POV. Drone overhead, Nano on you, cinematic chaos in the best way? If true, creators could get aerial plus wearable shots with almost no setup. If you're into live streaming or run and gun vlogs, this could change your workflow overnight. Compared to the Insta360 Go Ultra and other tiny wearables, the Osmo Nano, if the leaks hold, feels like the quiet, stylish kid who actually knows how to shoot. Lighter than bulk rigs, less obtrusive than chest cams, and maybe smarter thanks to AI features. The trade-offs? Battery life and durability will be watch points. Tiny devices often sacrifice runtime. But for spontaneous creators who value being present over fiddling with settings, this looks like a win. If DJI nails the software, this could be an instant go-to for travel, weddings, and daily vlog. Alright, you came here for the reveal. Leaks are whispering that DJI could position the Nano as an accessible wearable. Think friendly priced here, not flagship drone money. Exact figures are still unconfirmed, but rumors place it in a range that makes sense for mass adoption. I'll avoid quoting a number until DJI confirms. As for release, insiders hint at an announcement window soon with wider availability following shortly after. If you want day one, consider subscribing. I'll cover official launch coverage as soon as it drops. So is the Osmo Nano the future of effortless content creation? If the leaks are true, yes, it's convenience first, social ready, and designed for creators who'd rather live the moment than lug gear. Will it survive the laundry, long shoots, or heavy action? That's the million-dollar question we'll answer once DJI confirms specs and durability. Drop your thoughts below. Would you clip this to your shirt or tuck it in your hoodie? If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the official reveal.